If you've been looking for a realistic online business model that doesn't require inventory, paid ads, or a massive audience, this might be one of the best opportunities right now. More and more creators are building paid communities using platforms like Skool and turning small audiences into recurring monthly income. And the interesting part is this: you do not need millions of followers. You don't need to be famous. You don't even need a huge personal brand. What you really need is a useful skill, a focused niche, and a simple launch strategy. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how this business model works step by step, including how creators build waitlists, how they launch communities, how they generate recurring revenue, and why this model is becoming so popular among independent creators. And unlike most videos about this topic, I'm not going to overcomplicate anything. So let's get into it. Section 1. What is a Skool community? First, let's quickly understand what a Skool community actually is. A Skool community is basically a combination of a private group, a course platform, a membership site, and a community hub. Inside a community, members can access lessons, participate in discussions, attend live calls, complete challenges, and interact with other members. Think of it as a mix between Discord, a course platform, and a private mastermind. The reason this model works so well is because people today don't just want information anymore. Information is everywhere. People want accountability, interaction, community, support, networking, and ongoing guidance. That's why recurring memberships have become so powerful. Instead of selling a one-time course, creators build monthly recurring revenue. Similar to Netflix, Spotify, or software subscriptions. And this creates a much more predictable business. Section 2. WHO. This works FOR. Now here's something important. This model is not completely passive. And it's not ideal for everyone. Usually, successful creators have at least one of these: a valuable skill, an area of expertise, or an existing audience. But the audience doesn't need to be huge. Some creators launch with 1,000 followers, 2,000 followers, or even smaller niche audiences. What matters more is relevance and trust. Some popular niches include fitness, AI tools, copywriting, language learning, personal branding, productivity, relationships, finance, spirituality, coding, or content creation. If people already ask you questions about something, that's usually a good sign. Section 3. The 4-step strategy. Now let's break down the actual strategy. The process is surprisingly simple. There are 4 main phases. Step 1. Create content. The first step is building attention. Most creators use Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, or X. The platform itself doesn't matter that much. What matters is consistency. The goal is to publish at least one piece of content every day. Your content should solve small problems, share quick wins, teach useful concepts, or show transformations. And every piece of content should include a call to action. But here's the important part: you do not send people directly to the paid community yet. Instead, you send them to a waitlist. Step 4. Build a waitlist. Most creators use WhatsApp groups, Discord servers, Telegram groups, or email lists. The idea is simple. You collect interested people in one place before launching. This is extremely important because communities perform much better when many members join at the same time. If people join slowly over months, the community often feels inactive. But when lots of people enter together, engagement increases immediately. That momentum matters. To encourage signups, creators often offer a free PDF, a checklist, templates, prompts, mini-courses, or exclusive tips. This helps attract higher quality leads. Section 5. The warm-up phase. Once the waitlist starts growing, the next phase is warming up the audience. This is where many creators fail. They build a waitlist, but never build excitement. Usually, creators spend around 10 to 14 days warming up the audience before launching. During this period, they share behind-the-scenes updates, preview community content, answer questions, post testimonials, share small wins, and explain what members will get inside. The goal is anticipation. You want people thinking, "I don't want to miss this launch." At the same time, creators continue posting public content on social media to keep bringing in new people. Section 6. The live launch. Now comes the most important part. The launch event. Most creators do this using YouTube Live, Zoom, Google Meet, or webinars. This is usually presented as a workshop, a training, or a masterclass. And this is where the community officially opens. A simple launch structure looks like this. Part 1. Give value. Start by teaching something genuinely useful. Show strategies, frameworks, mistakes to avoid, or actionable advice. This builds trust. Part 2. Present the community. Next, explain what the community includes, who it's for, what members get, and how it works. You can literally share your screen and walk through the community. It doesn't need to feel overly salesy. In fact, simpler usually works better. Part 3. Create urgency. This part is critical. The community should not stay open forever. Most successful launches only stay open for 48 hours, 72 hours, or up to 5 days. Why? Because urgency drives action. If people think they can join anytime, they procrastinate. Limited enrollment windows create momentum. Section 7. Why recurring revenue changes everything. Now here's why creators love this model. Traditional online businesses often restart from zero every month. But membership communities create recurring revenue. That means members pay monthly, income becomes more predictable, and growth compounds over time. For example, a creator with 100 members paying $50 per month is already generating $5,000 monthly recurring revenue. And over time, creators repeat launches every few months to grow that number. Instead of constantly chasing new customers, they build a long-term ecosystem. Section 8. What makes communities succeed? Now let's talk about what separates successful communities from dead communities. Because this part matters a lot. The biggest mistake creators make is turning the community into just another course library. That's not enough. People stay for interaction. The best communities include live calls, challenges, accountability, leaderboards, networking, discussions, and member participation. Some communities even unlock content gradually based on engagement. That keeps people active. The goal is making members feel like they're part of something ongoing, not just consuming videos alone. Section 9. Final thoughts. So overall, this business model works because it combines audience building, education, recurring revenue, and community. And right now, the opportunity is still growing fast. Especially for niche creators, educators, consultants, freelancers, coaches, and people with specialized skills. You do not need millions of followers. You need trust, consistency, and a clear offer. And honestly, even small audiences can become highly profitable communities when the positioning is right. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe to AI Money Tools for more videos about AI businesses, online income systems, digital products, automation, and scalable creator business models. And I'll see you in the next video.